My Arirang tour outfit has arrived. So let's unbox and try on a little bit just to make sure that like it's fitting my vision. I wanted to like do the red accent thing that everyone is doing, but for like the main piece of my outfit, which is the Weaver's like member jersey, it's like different shades of gray, and I don't know, the like red just wasn't fitting. Like I looked at a bunch of different red options and it just was not like aligning with my vision. This is a top. It's gonna go over another top, of course. Has a little message on it. We have this. I'm gonna like chain it either on my back or on my pants. I'm supposed to be able to put, I think I'm supposed to be able to put a photo card in here. Okay, it slides. So I'm probably gonna put my favorite Jungkook photo card in here. I don't know why I did this. My current bias has been Jungkook for like this past year, but I got the Jimin jersey because he was like one of my original biases, and I like how the number 95 looks more than 97. So we have these sequined shorts, and last but not least, this is not actually the shirt that I wanted to get. The one that I wanted to get was sold out though. It's just this tank top that says music on the front. I know it's kind of like on the nose, but I thought that this like was vibey. And then on the back is not gonna show, so I didn't really care, but it says you don't vibe with my wave. It's like wave, swim, I just wanna die, I just wanna die. Okay, so let's try on. The pants are a little short. This is the base. Already looking nice. It's giving. I need to get more like short shoulders. The plan was to put it over the yeah, I don't know if this thing on top is necessary. Here's with the jersey. Let me know in the comments if you think I should, love it or list it.